This is an Itel phone. Um, what it does is that it drains battery down. Then I discovered the problem was not just the battery, it was a network IC problem. It's not showing searching. And if you look at the network service bar, it should show full service bar. But there's no single network in the phone. It just keeps showing searching. This is a network IC problem. So what we did was we have to disassemble the phone, then carefully remove the heatsink. Alright, yeah, immediately the heatsink was out. So we took our time to look at the surface. Then we discovered there's a capacitor there right there. So we checked for continuity and we realized it was short to ground, both end. So we got a donor board that we're going to take the network IC from. We are going to transplant it as quick as possible. So first of all, we just have to apply our paste, which is very essential in removing ICs. Enough paste so that you don't end up burning the board. So the already know the work of paste. So we carefully applied our heat at a certain temperature. Then once the just take your time and watch the process. Now that the ice is out, you have to wait for shots on the capacitor just to be sure of what you're doing. There's no short on the both end, just one end is working just fine. So just have to prep our board, our donor board, remove the IC carefully, then transplant it as we plan to. Just take your time and watch the process. Alright, at this point, you just need to prep the surface, clean it very well, apply some low temperature soldering lead, then get it ready for our replacement IC. Alright, it's time to verify our work. Let's see if what we did is actually working. Alright, SIM card is and the batteries and let's wait for the phone to quickly boot and we test and see. Okay, let's give it a moment. Let's give it a moment. It's still searching. Let's wait a moment. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Alright, service bar is full and it's still on searching. Alright, that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and follow.